So girls, today we are going to start the chapter LCM. So we have already started. So here in this chapter we will learn about uh, how to find LCM using prime factors. Before that we are going to discuss about the homework that I have already given you in my previous video. So here we have this is the first number 14 and 21. We have to find the LCM between these two numbers. So we know this the first method we learned here, that is to find LCM using multiple method, that is with the help of multiples. So the multiples of 14 is equal to 14, 28, 42 and so on, 21, 21, 42 and so on. As we can see that here in the table of 21 we have 42 here, and in 14 we have also 42. So the common multiple between 14 and 21, that is 42, and this is the least multiple between these two. So the LCM of 14 and 21 will be 42. This will be my answer. Number 2. Number 2 was 15 and 20. So 15, that will be 15 ones are 15, 30, 45, uh, 45, then 70, right? Then 60, then 75, then 90, 105, 120 and so on. Now 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. Now as I can see that 120 and 120 in both cases. So 120 is the common multiples between 15 and 20, and this is the least multiple. So the LCM will be 120. So the LCM of 15 and 20 is 120. And the last question was 16 and 18. So we will write 16, 18, so as I can see this is 144, that is the only common factor and this is the least one. So the LCM will be 144. So the LCM of 16 and 18 is 144. Now we are going to the main part of this chapter, that is to find LCM using prime factors. We have already done HCF using prime factors, so we know how to find prime factors. So here also we will use the same method to find the prime factors. Suppose I am taking two numbers 12 and 18, and we have to find the prime factors and then we have to find the LCM. So to find the factors of 12, so we will first divide it by 2, we get 6, then 2, 3, 3 and 1. So the factors of 12, that is 1 into 2 into 2 into 3. To find the factors or prime factors, that is we have to divide the number using several prime numbers. So 18, we can divide it by 2, or you can divide it by 3 also. Same result will be there. So 18, the factors of 18 is this. So in the case of HCF, we were only concerned about the common factors. Here we will common factors. So here we are interested with the common factors as well as the other factors also. So here are the common factors are 1, 2 and 3. This 1, this 2 and this 3. As I can see, 1 is in 12 and in 18 both cases, 2 is in 12 and 18, 3 is in 12 and 18. So the common factors that will be 1 into 2 into 3. I am writing only 1 1 for this 2, 1 2 for this 2, and 1 3 for this 2. Now other factors. What are the other factors which are not common? That is this 2, because in 12 I can find 2, but in 18 I cannot find an extra 2. So this will be other factor. And this 3 also, in 18 I find an extra 3 which is not in 12. So this is also other factor. So the LCM, to write the LCM, we will write the common factors as well as the other factors. So 1 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6, into 2, 12, into 3, 12 into 3, that is 36. So the LCM of 12 and 18 is 36, and this is my answer. This is very important. Please remember this one, that in HCF we are only concerned with the common factors. In LCM we are taking common factors as well as the other factors too. Let's take us some other example so that it will be clear to you. I am taking another example. Here we will find LCM of two number. Suppose 36 and 28. Okay, so I know the first method is to find the prime factors. So I am going to divide it by 2, that will be 18, then 2, 9, 3 and 1. So the factors of 36 is 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next 28, 2, 14, 2, 7, 7, 1. So 28 is 1 into 2 into 2 into 7. So these are the factors we get here, and we are concerned about to find the LCM, so that we will find the common factors as well as the other factors too. So here, as I can see, the common factors, that will be this one, this 2 and this 2. So 1 into 2 into 2, these are common. But as I can see, in the case of 36 there are 3 into 3, and in 28 we have a 7 there, which are not common in both cases. So those are other factors. So those are 3 into 3 into 7. So to write the LCM, we have to write the common factor as well as the other factors. That is 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So this will be 4 into 3, that is 12 into 21. So this will be 252. So my answer will be 252. I am showing you. See, this will be my answer. So this is the method to find LCM with the help of prime factor. The next method we are going to learn, that is the shortcut method. This is used by others so that they can find LCM easily. So that is known as a shortcut method. We have also used this method for HCF also. This is known as a shortcut method. Here we will find the LCM of two number. Let us take first two easy number. Okay, so we are going to take 12 and 18. Suppose we are taking the same number here. So here what we have to do, we have to divide these two number at the same time. So I am using 2. As I can see, I can divide 12 and 18. Oh, now this is very interesting. So in first case I have used 2 to divide 12 and 18. So my answer is 6 and 9. As I can see, I can divide 6 and 9 using 3. So I will use 3 here. So that will be 2 and 3. My answer will be 2 and 3. As I can see that I cannot divide 2 and 3 at the same time. So my HCF, if I want to find the HCF, that is the highest common factor, that will be 2 into 3. So my answer will be 6. But here I am going to find LCM, right? We are doing the chapter LCM, so we have to find the LCM here. So in the case of LCM, as I can see, I cannot divide 2 and 3 with the help of same number. So I will divide them individually. That I will write 2, so I can divide 2, but I cannot divide 3. So I will write 3 here. Next, in the next step, I will divide 3. And see, my remainder will be 1 and 1. Okay, so in this process here, what we are doing, that is, if I can divide one number, so I will divide that. Okay, here I will not stop the division process until I get 1 and 1 in the last process. Okay, so my answer, that is the LCM of 12 and 18, will be 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, that is 6 into 6, 36. So you can recheck your answer. We have already done this 12 and 18 using the prime factor method, and there also I got this answer 36, and in this process also I got this answer 36. So my process or my answer is right. So you can recheck or you can re-verify this answer using different method of LCM. Okay, let us take another example. I am taking a difficult one, so that will be great for you. That may help you. That is, I am going to take 70 and 56, and I am going to use this method. Okay, 70 and 56. So first I am taking 2. Okay, so this will be 35 and this will be 28. Next, as I can see, I can divide 35 and 28 by 7. So I will use 7 here. So this will be 5 and 4. In this process, I cannot divide 5 and 4 simultaneously. So I will divide 5 by 5 and write the 4 here. So that is, the 4 is not divided by 5. I am dividing only 5 by 5. So 4 will be just like that. Now next, in this process or in the next step, I will divide 4. So this will be 1 and 1. So the LCM of 70 and 56, that is 2 into 7 into 5 into 4, that is 14 into 20. 2 14s are 28 and there will be a 0. That is, my answer will be 280. So this is the shortcut method. Using this method, I can find the LCM of 3 numbers also. So let us take an example of 3 numbers where I am going to find LCM using this shortcut method. Let us take this example. Suppose these are the number. Okay, so we are going to find the LCM of 12, 36 and 28 using this shortcut method. So I am writing 2, 6, 18 and 14. Again I am divided by 2, 3, 9 and 7. Now in this process, I can see that I can divide 3 and 9 by 3, but I cannot divide 7. So I will keep that 7 like that, and I will divide 3 and 9 with the help of 3. So I will get 1, 3 and 7. Okay, so in the next process, I will divide it by 3 again. So 1, 1 and 7. And the last process, I will divide it by 7. So I will get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So my LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9 into 7. 4 into 9, 36 into 7. 252. My answer is 252. 36 into 7, that will be 252, because 6 sevens are 42. So I am writing 2, 4 in our hand. 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. So that my answer is 252. So in this video we have learned two methods to find LCM, that is the prime factor method and the shortcut method. In this chapter we are only going to learn this method. We are not going to do the sum. In the next video we will do the problem sum regarding this chapter LCM, and we are also going to find the relation between HCF and LCM. That is very very important. I am not giving you any homework in this video. We are going to do some problem sums regarding this chapter in the next video, and I will give you sums then after completing that video. So please watch this video very carefully and write all this on your copy. We will do the rest of the chapter in our next video.